It's time. After a quick jump start of our 2009 Vibe, which is coming behind us somewhere. It needs a little front end work. We are bringing them in the shop. We got birds coming after us. We're bringing them in the shop and putting the parts car there. And going up the hill. Here we go. We're going to have them side by side to work on. We should have 95% of the parts that we need and should be good to go. And little bunny guy, run away! And just work side by side, pull parts off what we need, put them on there. So we'll catch up with you in a minute. Hey, we got dollies. And so if we have a car here on dollies, we can rotate it and move it. One car here. You should be coming around the corner. Yeah, she's rough, but we're good. Runs and drives. Christine's new friend. So coming in the shop. Next time you see it driving out, it'll be all better. We hope. There we go. Well, we're going to angle this poor soul over that way. Nice and quiet. That's one of the quietest ones we got. And that'll give us some more room to drag the one in here that happens to have an engine that won't do anything. Like I said, this one runs and drives as you saw. Should be easy fix. It'll just be a slightly differenter color in the front. We've got the helper into the garage 2000 engaged. We're gonna back her out of here. We got the whole crew. Going on. We got some mini bike action. We got a garage that's messy. We got some more mini bike action. Pop can crusher. Bottom cardboard recycling. We got a slab that tilted the wrong way, so we popped it up. We gotta put that back before winter comes. We got grapes, except for the deer, and the turkeys go wild over these guys. So, as you can see, several have been nibbled off. There is some grape. Nice big grapevine going on here. Sledding hill when the kids were younger. Oh yeah. Now, our teal 2009 Vibe GT with Honda CR-V wheels. You saw that in another video. And then there's a mini spare right there. She works. So we're gonna tow this guy to Grandpa Shop. Section of Suburban's back there too. To Grandpa Shop and start digging in. So everything up here, we're gonna take off. put it on the front of that guy, and then we'll part out the rest of this. It's got a lot of new brake suspension pieces on, so that should be fun. Should be fun. Once upon a time, there's a Vibe that had a bad day. But then it met its older brother, actually the same year, everything, that had an okay day, except for the engine doesn't have rods that do rod things anymore. But that's okay, because in this moment of holy matrimony, two shall become one. Young Squire, are you ready to take on this mission?
As my sister said, it's gonna be my new 9 to 5 to work on the Vibe.
Okay. So we are a full service shop, professional Pontiac Vibe Body Works. So we're gonna have a teal front on the ebony black or whatever color this guy is. But you know what? Maybe we'll even put the old CRV wheels on here. Ditch those things, just saying. By the way, it makes lots of noise when your inner fender is dragging on your tire and all those things. But, so, this is a project. You know, we got nice, straight metal pieces here. Some pieces that are not quite as straight. It's not terrible, though. It runs and drives. We're just going to swap pieces over and do what we need to do.
The hood hits the plastic up there now.
The hood's been tacoed. We'll take that guy off. Okay, please stick around for the adventure. We have some progress going on here. Kind of see the grill pieces, lower grill opening. There's the bumper. Isn't that wild? It's a big chunk of aluminum tied to the body horns there. Interesting air intake to keep it quiet. See how long that guy is? And then that's where it, right there is where it takes it in. You punch a hole through the bad fender. But I'd rather put a good fender on there. Getting an idea of kind of where the straightness is and ends. See, there's kind of a bend there, and then whoop, that's kicked out. And over here, that part is still pretty square there, and that's where we got kind of a bend there. You can buy the rad support piece. Well, with anything, you can buy kind of cheap kits online. Different body shops will sell the, like a whole front clip that will allow you to, they'll call it like a crash kit or something like that. And you just replace everything. So we're trying not to use El Cheapo parts because we got good used OEM right there. But we're getting there. So just quick update on progress. There's your AC condenser, then your radiator right behind that, the electric fan hiding down there. That's all kind of pushed together. So We don't think there's any leaks in this, but it's definitely not perfect. The system is still contained, but we want to save a buck and just kind of reuse that. Try to leave it connected if we can. That'd be a pain when we have good used parts right there. So, yep. Okay. So we brought this in on Monday, I think. And today is Wednesday. So, day 3. That cute little horn. Beep, beep, right there. Okay, checking in.